We have been asked to convert 3 centiliters to milliliters. 3 centiliters to milliliters. Our skip conversion can still help us here. So let's take it and have a look at it again. So I hope we can all remember something like this. We are taking from centiliters to milliliters. So as we can see here, from milliliters to centiliters, you come across 10 and it follows in that manner. So let's take our solution. If 10 milliliters is giving us 1 centiliter, then I was given 3 centiliters. So 3 centiliters will give us how many of the milliliters? Such that Cl will cancel Cl, then we cross multiply. So I'll be having X equal to 3 by 10 milliliters, because X times 1 is X and 3 by 10. So X will now be equal to 30 milliliters. And to convert 3 kiloliters to milliliters, so let's go back and look for the relationship between kiloliters and milliliters. Let's look at it. From milliliters to kiloliters, if you should travel all the way, how many zeros did we come across? That is 6 zeros came across all these ones. That tells you that 1 million milliliters will give you 1 kiloliter. So let's put it. If 1 million milliliters is equal to 1 kiloliter, then 3 kiloliters should give us how many of the milliliters? Such that kiloliters will cancel kiloliters. Then we cross multiply again, which is X times 1, giving us X equal to 3 by 1 million milliliters, which is giving us 3 million milliliters as our final answer. So when you have 3 kiloliters, it is the same as you having 3 million milliliters. Over here, we are changing 3.7 liters to kiloliters. So let's come back from liters to kiloliters. That is 1000. So if 1000 liters is giving us 1 kiloliter, then 3.7 liters should give us what of the kiloliters, such that liters will cancel liters. So now we have 1000 X is equal to, that is when we cross multiply, 3.7 by 1 kiloliter. So we have 1000 X to be equal to 3.7 kiloliters. Then we divide both sides. by 1000 such that 1000 cancels 1000, and I have x to be equal to 3.7 kiloliters out of 1000. But let's not forget that in our previous lesson, we know if you are divided, you skip backward. That is, you move the decimal backward. The number of zeros you have added down. So if I have 3.7 and I'm supposed to move backward 3 times, I should be having 1, 2, 3. So my decimal will not be here. Then I have 0, 0, and 0 in front. So x should now be equal to 0.0037 kiloliters as my final answer. So let's not forget our skip conversion. Help us do whatever we are doing every day. It is a simple way